Hello and welcome to another ASD Tech Tips screencast. This one is about using snipreel.com, a web tool that will allow you to take small clips of YouTube videos to use in class when you do not want to show the entire thing. First of all, it works well in Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome. So to get there, type in snipreel.com and it will take you to this home page. At the bottom it says, we'll let you know when Snipreel is ready. So at some point this may change, but if you go up to the address bar and type YT, which one of our 10 Minutes of Tech participants figured out stands for YouTube, and then press enter, it will bring you to a part of the Snipreel website that will allow you to input a video and to snip out the piece that you want. Now whatever shows up there, you notice there's a video that's already here. Whatever the last video that anyone, and I think that means anyone in the world, has put into Snipreel is going to show up. So there are other videos down below that you can see other people have snipped clips of. Once you're to the website, the next thing you need to do is to go to YouTube and find whatever video it is you'd like to clip a piece out of. I have one here that I'm just going to use as a sample. So if I copy that website address and go back to Snipreel, up here in the corner where it says make your own reel, if you paste in the YouTube address for the video you just had and then click go, it will bring that video into Snipreel. Now I don't think that it's downloading it into some Snipreel website. I think what Snipreel is doing is going back to YouTube and just playing the video through from there. But if you watch, when the playhead starts moving, up on the top, there's a separate track down below where you can see this red line, which is also a playhead moving. And when you find the point where you want to start the snip, if you press the snip button, you'll notice that a yellow bar starts to follow that playhead. Whatever is within that yellow bar, that's going to be the snip when you're done. If you don't like what you're snipping, like if you think, oh no, this is not exactly what I'd like to have in my video, if you click the X, it will eliminate it. And you can either stop the video and go back and try again, or start from wherever it is you really do want to make the video clip. When you've gotten everything you want to snip, just press the snip button again and it will stop. Now one thing about this web tool that makes it different from some of the other snipping websites is that you can create multiple snips from the same video. So if you had this 10-minute video and you wanted to show the first 30 seconds and then another important piece further along, if you press the snip button again, it will allow you to create any number of snips. So you can take out whatever pieces you don't want and include whatever pieces you do want. So when you've got all the pieces of the video that you want to include, you're ready to click the Watch button. And what that's going to do is it's going to play the pieces that you have snipped. If you're happy with what you see, if you've gotten everything that you want, you can click the Share button. If you miss something or if you don't like where it starts or ends, you can go back and edit it and make changes. But when you're done and you're ready to share it, it's going to ask you to give the reel a title. Depending on what the YouTube video title is, you could just copy and paste the original one, or you can call it whatever you'd like. And then when you click Next, then it's going to say, well, how do you want to share it? You could share it via Twitter or Facebook if you'd like, or if you click where it says Copy URL, you'll notice as soon as I clicked it, it said Copied. So what it has done is created a unique website address up here for that video clip that you created, and when I clicked Copy, now it's something that I can cut and paste somewhere else. I could cut and paste it into a Word document. I could make it an active link through something in my big campus or on my own personal web page, but I'll just open a new tab over here just for the sake of example, and if I paste that in, it will go straight back to Snipreel to whatever video clip I created, And again, down here, you can see exactly what pieces of the video it's showing. And if you want to, you can still edit this snip reel and make changes to it. But basically, that's snip reel. That's everything you need to do to take small pieces of YouTube videos to show in class. And if you'll notice, the nice thing about the snip reel website is that when you're viewing this video, you don't have any of the other things from the YouTube website that might show up otherwise. So that's snip reel. I hope you can find some uses for it in your classroom, and have a good day.